This place is so breathtaking. The fresh air, the blue sky, everywhere I look pleases my eyes. Especially this handsome guy.
Ikaw lang sapat na.
That's Coyote Hills behind me. First things first, grab a map. Where to get it? You'll see it before you reach the park entrance. Oh, there's a park entrance. From the entrance, you have an option to go to the visitor center first or start your hike. We went straight to Muscat Trail, which is at the foot of Old Quarry. Ano sa Tagalog ang green?
Verde. Spanish.
Luntian.
Ano?
Luntian.
Luntian, Tagalog yun? Yun yung Tagalog mismo?
Ganda dito. Just to let you know, there are 3 sections of parking. If you don't want to pay $5 for parking, they have a free parking lot near the main road. You can walk to the park just like what we did. So this time, akitin namin yung kabilang hill. Ayun. There. Doon on that top. So, wait nyo lang kami. Kaya mo yan! Kaya mo yan, sir! Pagod ka na? Tum ka na agad? Napanood mo ba yung Teletubbies? Parang ito yung shooting location ng Teletubbies.
Pabundok.
Dito daw kami sa steep. Mas nakapagod siya. Pero mas mabilis.
Ito pa pinili mo.
Para mabilis. Sabi mo gutom ka na eh.
Sana ako nagutom.
Oh my God! Whew.
Alam mong nasa dulo na tayo para halfway pa lang pala.
Oh my God! Kaway-kaway naman dyan! Hindi kami naka-proper hiking shoes. Kaya medyo madulas yung sapatos namin. Delikado. Kailangan mag-ipon. Pambili ng hiking shoes. Sweet naman ni sir. Ay.
Ikaw at ako.
Ay no, andun tayo.
Kanina doon sa may mga pulis.
Yung mga taong yun.
Saan tayo nakapark? Turo mo.
Doon.
All the way down.
Ay, all the way doon.
Grabe layo ng parking namin. Ay, konti na lang. 3/4 na. Nakita ko na yung tok-tok. Are you ready? Teletubbies? Teletubbies! We made it!
Yay!
Yes!
We made it. Worth it. Definitely worth it.
Is it worth it?
Yes. Is it worth it? Is it worth it?
Blue.
Is it? Is it?
Oh, there. Kailan kaya natin ma-hike yan? After 10 years? Last hill and uwi na. Parang 30 minutes lang natin hinike, no?
Hindi ko sure.
So dumating kami dun sa parking lot like 3:10. Tapos naglakad kami for 2 kilometers para dito sa parking sa hill, sa Coyote Hills. Then it turned out marami palang parking space dito, so sana yan, but merong $5 na payment for parking. So syempre titipid tayo, dun tayo sa libreng parking, pero you have to walk 2 kilometers at least bago ka makarating dito sa Coyote Park. So 30 minutes, not too bad. Hindi naman masyadong mahirap akitin. Nakapagod lang din, lalo na wala kaming practice. Grabe yung bato-bato, nakakadulas. Ganda talaga ng tanawin dito, green, yung view, lalo na tong view ko, ang pogi. Nakikilig. Model. Pack. 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 Video to eh. Yan.
Ayun yung dam to the bridge. Then,
Saan na tayo?
ayun.
Somewhere out there. Saan yung San Francisco?
Oakland ata yun, downtown Oakland. Yung mga
Okay.
buildings na nakita mo. Ayan. San Francisco na tatlo ng ulap ata eh.
Ganda dito.
Yan, mga salt pond siya. Salt evaporation pond.
So yun yung mga
Yan yung mga parang palayan.
palayan. Ah, okay. Kala ko
Salt pond. Ayun o, ayun o.
salt pan siya. Okay.
Yan pala.
Eh, yung mga hati, in between yan, yung mga...
Ayun,
So-
siguro ano lang sila, section sila. Segmented.
Ano na kayo? Ang pamilya ng turkey, naglalakad sila. Diba sila masipag? Oh my god, meron silang butterfly garden.
In the garden.
Oh, this is nice. Wednesday to Sunday lang, 10 to 4. Ganda. Wow, parang ano. This is nice.
Medyo laptop siya.
Butterfly, where are you? Pakita ka. Ha? Oo nga no, wala isang pagita. I think mas maraming butterfly dito pag summer or spring.
Oo. Mga nag-migrate kasi.
Oh, tulog na ata.
Ewan ko, totoo nga yun. Okay. Ayun na. Kayo pala. Hummingbird.
Wala na, tulog na. That's it. That's it. This is free. So, you guys can visit. Bye. Time to go. Bye.